Hello guys! Would you like to learn the traits adopted by great leaders in face of instability and chaos? Today I'd like to discuss my book, Iconic in the Midst of Chaos, and some of the content that may be useful to you. Stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm very happy to give you some insights about the book I wrote almost a year ago, and what a year it has been. It's been 12 months since we have had to face this pandemic, in and out of confinement, and obviously in an extreme chaos, in an extremely chaotic situation. Now, I wrote this book, Iconic in the Midst of Chaos, last summer, and it was just a way for me to put down on papers some of the thoughts, some of the techniques that I know work very well in terms of how to handle chaos, how to become iconic in front of chaos, how to remain serene in a storm. And that probably comes very much from my background as a seafarer. Now, in this book, I cover a lot of different tools and techniques that are very holistic. I try to not just go into one direction or one area of leadership. I try to cover all the different aspects that make you a great leader. At the same time, I also make sure that I give or I provide effective, proven techniques that will help you face chaos with serenity in many, many ways. Now, one of the chapter 3 in this book talks about creating a kickstart routine for resilience. Now, we know that in such a situation, a situation that we had to face in the past 12 months, resilience is a great skill. You need to show resilience in order to be able to first remain serene, but also be able to see beyond the chaos, beyond the drama, and being able to sort of have this vision, have this very reassuring yet firm vision for yourself and for others. Now, Mark Twain stated that nothing so needs reforming as people's habits. Now, in this chapter, I try to show you my own personal morning habits. I wake up at 5 a.m. and I learned that from working on cruise ships. Yet, I don't wake up at 5 a.m. because I have to. I wake up at 5 a.m. because I want to. Because the mornings are my protected time. It's time that I dedicate to myself, to making sure I start the day on the right foot, to making sure I learn something, to making sure I grow myself in many ways. And in this chapter, I show you that there are 3 types of routines. Routines that relate to your health. You first and foremost need to make sure that you're very healthy if you want to be able to confront the day's challenges and struggles. So what does it mean to be healthy? Not just on the physical state, but also on many other levels. So the first part of the routine is always about your health. How do you protect your health? The second part is about your mind. And your mind is, well, you need to challenge your mind. And I do it very early in the morning because that's the best time. Your mind will be open to being challenged, to learning new skills, to just be curious about new ideas and new concepts. And last but not least, it's also about taking care of your spirit. And your spirit is about, well, how do you make sure that you are in a good state of mind, in a positive state of mind? What are your thoughts? Are they positive thoughts supporting your goals and your vision? Or are they negative thoughts, in which case it might be a good idea to change them? So your spirit is also something that you need to work on very early in the morning, because if you don't do so, and you happen to have negative thoughts, well, these will drag you down throughout the day. So again, the third part of the routine is about taking care of your spirit, your health, your mind, and your spirit. I invite you to go online on Amazon. I will put the link in the description of this video, and you can order the book either in an online format or a hard copy such as this one. And this book was sponsored as well by Vitruvius Partners Group. Vitruvius Partners Group is a change management firm, advisory firm based here in Europe, and we work with individuals and corporations on, well, issues related to change management and, how best of a time it is to review those concepts. So thank you very much. I look forward to sharing the content of my book with you. And again, you will become iconic in the midst of chaos, and your story starts here.